Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Hope you all are doing great. Today, in this video, I have brought for you all the GATE XEXL 2023 aspirants. Something really useful, something that is really going to help you in the upcoming 2 months to ace the exam in the very first go. Watch this video till the end to get a surprise that I have for all of you and know the right way, the right strategy to target the exam from now on. So AgriVision for You has brought for all you aspirants a very, very detailed crash course to crack the exam in a 2-month duration. We will discuss how you can approach this crash course, what all it has in it for you, and something as a surprise that I have for you at the end of this video. So let's get started. To access the course, you reach out to your web browser, search for AgriVision for You, reach out to the home page, then log in or register using your email ID. Once you have logged in using your email ID, you are directed to the home page or the landing page. To access our vibrant crash course for GATE XEXL 2023, you go to the Courses tab. There, at the very first page, you find the GATE crash course packages for GATE XE Thermodynamics, GATE XE Fluid, GATE XL Microbiology, and GATE XL Biochemistry. Extremely detailed crash course packages to crack the exam in the upcoming 2 months' time. All the courses are well curated based on the optional subjects chosen by the student. I was interested in the GATE XE Thermodynamics course. So I went through the course and found what all this package includes. A very, very detailed course material, full-length tests, recorded lectures, general aptitude, thermodynamics, mathematics, food technology, and well-detailed real-time simulated test series. So I clicked on Buy Now. You can also take up a free trial and go through the course material which is provided, what is the type of material that is shown and given by AgriVision for you. Once you have purchased the course, you can reach out to your dashboard to access all the purchased courses that you have. So once I have purchased the GATE XE Thermodynamics course, I have all the subjects appearing here. General aptitude, food technology, engineering mathematics, thermodynamics. And as and when the tests are declared, you will also find the test series here itself. So I would show you what the course material looks like. Let's see in engineering mathematics. So you have expert lectures, sectional tests, chapter-wise notes, subtopics, and topics for all the learning that is given under each and every subject and topic. We can skip through all the study material, all the notes which are there. We can click on Resume Learning to access the course material. You can click on the topic and then the subtopic to find out what the study material looks like. A very, very detailed, yet minutely focused and targeted. This is the beauty of this study material that will help you ace the exam in 2 months duration. So, watch out and see how this detailed study material is created. Once you have enrolled for the course, you also receive an email from Microsoft Teams. So you need to install Microsoft Teams on your desktop, and then you will receive an email that you've been added to the EduTech GATE Mathematics, GATE Thermodynamics, and GATE Food Technology courses on Microsoft Teams. This will help you view all the video lectures, their recordings, and any other declarations on Microsoft Teams. So once you click on Open Microsoft Teams, you are directed to their page where you will find that you are a part of the GATE Mathematics, GATE Food Technology, GATE Thermodynamics teams. You can click on any of the video lectures that has taken place to go through the same, and you will be able to view and see the same when you click on it. So
7 dy dx is equals to something like 8y or something like 0. Maybe that can be anything. It doesn't matter to me.
So as you see, the sessions are extremely interactive. The faculty takes full interest in explaining all the topics which are taught to the students. You can view these recorded lectures over and over again for the sake of revision, for the sake of better understanding. You can also interact with mentors, ask doubts live, and also reach them out otherwise. So friends, this is a very detailed course. You can take up tests, you can view a detailed analysis of the test that you take, and in these 2 months, that is exactly what you need. At this critical point, this course is going to be the savior and will help you back the rank of your dreams, get into the college or secure the rank of your dreams, of your aspiration, and help you ace the exam in the first go. Now it's time for the surprise that I have for all you aspirants out here. Yes, the vibrant GATE XEXL 2023 crash course that has been released by AgriVision for you comes with all the detailed salient features, all the subjects that need to be covered under GATE XE and XL. The detailed planner for the course is available. The mentors are world class. There are live doubt solving sessions. There is extremely good support, great support by all the faculty here. And most importantly, the real-time simulation tests. They give you the feel of the real-time exam environment and help you crack the exam. So what is the surprise here? The surprise here is that if you crack GATE 2023, you get 100% refund of the tuition fee for this course from AgriVision for you. Yes, you heard it right. So you purchase this course at a very, very discounted price of 4,999 now. And if you crack the exam, you get 100% refund. So friends, wait for nothing. This is absolutely a steal deal. This is something you should not miss. And also share this video with your friends. Anybody who needs it, anybody who needs to know, so that they can participate in the course and make the most out of it. Let us know in the comment section what would you want us to discuss more going ahead, and are you planning to join the course now? Friends, like, share and subscribe, and do enroll in the course right away. Thank you.